Hi guys, warm welcome on German's MATLAB coding. Control system is one important branch of electrical engineering. In this clip, we are going to address how one can enter control circuit parameters in MATLAB. Control circuits are nothing but various combinations of resistors, inductors, capacitors. They can come in series, parallel, delta pi, or in other forms. These elements, these passive elements coded by S parameters. As you see on the screen, resistor R by R, inductor L by SL, capacitor C by 1 by SC. Control circuits frequently apply the notion input-output. On the screen, there is a series RLC circuit. Here we apply the voltage V and the resulting current is I. Our objective is to determine V by I using S parameters. Given that resistor is 10 ohms, inductor is 0.05 Henry, and capacitor is 300 millifarads. You need the understanding of clips 2 and 19 in order to check on this clip. In last slide, we presented a series RLC circuit. So go to MATLAB command prompt, enter the element's value to like name variable. For example, resistor 10 ohm to variable R. Here we would like to see the expression in terms of S, and S is a variable. So we're gonna declare that by using embedded word seams. So seams one space gap, press enter in the next command line. Here the collective contribution from all three elements, resistor, inductor, capacitor, will be added because they are in series, and they are put to workspace variable Z. Z is some user chosen variable, and Z must be in terms of some numerator and denominator. And if you would like to separate the numerator and denominator, there is an embedded function by name numden, which is the short for numerator denominator. It returns two output arguments, which we named as n and d user chosen variables. After running the command, you're gonna see n as 3s square plus 600s plus 200, and d gonna be 60s. What did we achieve with all this computing? Suppose this series RLC circuit represents a controller, then voltage to current transfer function is basically 3s square plus 600s plus 200 divided by 60s. The second example circuit you see on the screen. Here we have two branches. One is RL branch and the other is RC branch. Resistor, inductor, and resistor capacitor respectively. You would also see the voltage across R2C is V2 and the input voltage to the whole circuit is V1. Our objective is to find V2 over V1 transfer function for this controller, and circuit parameters are presented on the right side of the screen. In order to code the problem, go to MATLAB command prompt, enter the given element's value to like name variable. For example, R1 is 10 ohms, so assign 10 to R1 and do so for the other elements. In the second command line, declare the variable S by embedded word seams as we did in example 1. Referring to the circuit, we are calling R1 and L as Z1 and R2 and C as Z2. Z1 and Z2 user chosen variables. Code each branch and assign them respectively. For sure, from voltage division rule, we can say that V2 by V1 is Z2 over Z1 plus Z2. So compute that expression in the fourth command line and assign two variable Z, where Z is another user chosen variable. For sure, Z going to be some numerator denominator expression. Separate the expression by using numDent as we did in example 1 in the fifth command line, and the result will be available in variable n and d. If your execution is successful, you're gonna see n as 900s plus 200 and d as 3s square plus 1500s plus 200. In the end, we obtained the v2 by v1 transfer function as 900s plus 200 divided by 3s square plus 1500s plus 200, as you see on the screen. Alright, thanks for sticking around. Please do subscribe, share and like our contents. I hope to see you in next clip. Bye for today.